What's up guys, Zing Toys sent us these go-go birds for free. Let's check them out. So here are the go-go birds. If you've ever seen like RC planes or RC helicopters, these are like those, but they're actual birds, which is really cool. And they come in this cardboard box that looks like a bird cage, which is really nice. So let's open it up. So in the packaging we get two of these RC birds, a green one and a red one. You get two controllers for the birds. You get two stands, so if you want to display your bird, you can just, oh yeah, like that. So you can display the bird like that, which is pretty cool. You get two of these little bags, and inside the bag you get this little thing. On one side it's USB and the other side connects into this piece, which is a 3.7 volt 100 milliamp lithium ion battery. So I guess this is the battery and this USB piece is for charging it. And the bag also comes with a super small flathead screwdriver. And then there's another bag with the same thing for the other bird. Also you get two quick start guides that look like this and two user manuals. Alright, so here are the parts of the bird. We have the head here, the wings here, the tail back here, the rudder right here. The battery goes in the back like this. Right under the bird there's a power switch and there's also a little LED. Alright, on the joystick we have the trigger. This starts and stops the bird. This is the joystick. Forward is to speed up, backward is to slow down, and left is turn left and right is turn right. We have a power button right here that also switches different modes I'll talk about. On this little 4-button piece here, the left and right, like if you click the right button, it will make it continuously fly in a clockwise circle. If you click the one on the left, it'll continuously fly in a counterclockwise circle. If you click the one on the bottom, it'll do a figure 8. And you can click the one on the top to switch the color of the indicator light. Each bird comes with two batteries. Each battery takes about 20 minutes to charge and gives you about 10 minutes of flight time. Each bird comes with one of these USB things. You plug the battery in here, like that. Then you plug this into any regular 5-volt USB port and it'll charge in about 20 minutes. And I'll show you how to charge it later. The remote controller takes two AAA batteries. All you do is unscrew this back here with the screwdriver it comes with. Then you put your two AAA batteries in and then you screw this back on. The AAA batteries are not included, so make sure you get your own. And when you insert them, make sure you get the polarities correct. So 1, 2, let's test it. Yep. Now I'm going to show you how to charge the battery. So let's take out both batteries here. There's a little screw that holds the battery in. What you need to do to take the battery out is use the screwdriver it comes with, turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then you should be able to push that screw up and pop the battery out. Okay. When you put the battery back in, you just push the screw in and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So let's go charge these. When I plug it in, you'll see a red LED and a green LED. The green LED just shows that it's working, and the red LED shows that it's charging, and whenever it's done charging, the red LED will disappear. So here are the controls. First, to turn on the bird, there's a button on the very bottom. You just click it, and the light will turn green. Then to turn on the controller, you click this button right here. The light will be green. The trigger starts and stops it. This, pushing it forward makes it go faster, and backward makes it go slower. And then obviously left and right. So right now I have the tab pulled back so it'll fly slow. So there's two ways to launch it. You can either do this and then drop it, or you can do this and turn it upside down to stop. Whee! Boom. It's going against the wind.